Artwork fly.
I don't know if my students know, but newspaper can be used in art in so many different ways. Just look at the photos showing here. It can be used for collages, it can be painted on, it can be torn up and turned into something new, it can be recycled or upcycled into something brand new. There's so many different ways or different things that you can create from just newspaper alone, and these are some of the ways that are being shown. The artworks turns out beautiful, very creative, very unique. I will definitely recommending using newspaper if you don't have a canvas, if you don't have paper, etc, etc. You can use newspaper also. Go ahead, collect your newspapers and upcycle them, recycle them, do what you will. There is no limitation when it comes to art. The sky is not even the limit. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.